Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video I will show you how you can use inventory adjustment in D365. So in our last video we have simply created a product. The product was D365 product, but if you want to sell this product, let's say if you want to create a sales order of this product, so like when you will try to sell this particular product to a customer, you can't because you don't have any inventory available for this item. So let's do the inventory adjustment for this item. So if you see currently in on hand or transaction, we have nothing here. So what I'm going to do, I will duplicate this tab and I will go to my inventory management, and here let me go to items. So here we have the option of inventory adjustment. So currently I don't have any inventory available for this D365 product. So what I'm going to do, I will simply create some inventory. So what I will do, I will click on new here, and I will simply click on new button, and if you see here, I will get the option of my site and warehouse. So let's say my site is 1, and what I will do, I will create a new warehouse. So I will simply click on new here. Now here the warehouse is actually dependent upon site. So first of all, I will need to select a site. So I will click on 1. Now let me create a new warehouse. I will say this as D365 warehouse, and I'm going to copy the same name here, D365 warehouse. I will say this as D365 product warehouse. Now I've created a brand new warehouse, and that warehouse is linked with my site. So I will go back. Now when I will click on this drop down, I should get that warehouse. So I'm going to simply select this warehouse. I will click on OK. Okay, now my inventory adjustment just got created, and this is a number. And now what I will do, I will simply add a new line here. Now I'll select my product. If you remember, in our first video we have created a product named as D365 product. So I'll simply click on this product. Alright, and now let's say I want to keep this item stock as 1000. So what I will do, I will simply keep this as 1000 here, and I will save it. Now if you see, it got saved. Now I'm going to validate it. So it will give me, errors if in case I'm missing something. It will do a standard validation, so it's always good to run a validate before posting directly. Okay, now this looks good, so now I can post this, and I'll simply click OK. So what I'm doing, I'm simply keeping my stock as 1000 for this item. My item is D365 product. Okay, now the posting is completed. Now what I will do, I will go to my, so if I go to my release product form, let me go to release product form. I will open this form, and now here when I will check the inventory, on hand inventory, so if you see, now I have 1000 quantities available here. Physical inventory is this, and also 1000 is available. And further, if you want to see where actually this product resides, so you can select this warehouse option, and this will give you, in exactly this site and this warehouse 1,000 quantities of these products are available. So this was a short intro about inventory adjustment. So you can even decrease as well. So thanks for watching this video.